Fuck yeah, bud.
Drink, girl, drink.
I'm Roy Jenkins, and this is the trim on rim. You got key trees, we can cut them in a hurry. When you come down out of a big tree, well, you're pretty fucking hungry, so how are you gonna eat your steak? You left your knife in the dump truck. It's not a problem. This is a multi-purpose tool right here. Cuts through steak, cuts through limbs. That's real fucking good, buddy.
Hey, nothing but the best, you know. If you're not running your saws on pure maple syrup, you're really missing out. The stickiness clings to the chain and lubricates the bar. Oh, look at that. Maple syrup.